Let's look at some general rules. I've put in here the degrees and the radians for each going around. I haven't got the one at the bottom there for some reason. If we are in the first quadrant is easy. You just use the given reference angle. And remember your cast. A means all sine, cos and tan are positive. Second quadrant, we're over here now. For this one we need to use pi minus theta, whatever your angle is, which is the same as 180 minus your angle in degrees, to find your reference angle. And put your cast in. Sine only is positive. All the others are negative. Third quadrant, this direction. We need to find this little bit here, so we will use whatever your angle is, theta minus pi, to find your reference angle. Put in your cast. Tan only is positive, others are negative. Positive. Fourth quadrant, trying to find this one here. Use 2 pi minus theta, so 360 minus theta. To find the reference angle. And cast says cos only is positive in the fourth quadrant. An example here. If we know that sine theta equals 0.7, find sine of pi plus theta. Sine of pi plus theta. Let's see. Good idea is to draw a diagram. Pi plus theta. Pi's here. So pi plus a little bit is going to be in the third quadrant. Cast says sine is negative, so it's going to be negative whatever this solution was, which is 0.7. Second part, sine of 2 pi minus theta. Draw a diagram. 2 pi minus theta is going to be here. Cast says cos is positive, but we've got sine, so it's going to be negative of whatever the original one was, or 0.7. A few more examples here. You may wish to pause and have a go at doing them yourself, otherwise you can continue to watch my explanation. Sine of 225. Draw your sketch. 225 is down here. Put cast in. Tan is positive, but we've got sine, so it's going to be negative sine 225 take 180. which equals negative sine of 45 degrees, which according to our tables is negative 1 over root 2. Part B. Diagram. Now the negative is with the angle, so this one, if we start at 0, we're talking about the angle going backwards 60 degrees. So it will take us into the fourth quadrant, which sine is negative there, so it'll be negative sine of 60, which according to our tables is negative root 3 over 2. Part C, cos of 420. It's going to go all the way around here to 360 and then keep going. And it'll be in this first quadrant here. All of them are positive in the first quadrant, so we can stay positive, equals cos of our angle, take 360, cos of 60, using our tables, cos of 60 is a half. Part D, diagram, sine of 5 pi over 6. Now this is pi, and this is pi over 2. So it's more than half pi. 1 full pi would be 6 pi over 6, so it's just before 6 pi over 6. It's going to be here. It's in the second quadrant. Second quadrant is positive for sine, so we leave it. We need to find our reference angle, so we do pi minus pi over 6 sine 6 pi over 6 minus 5 pi over 6. Six minus 5 is 1. We write that as pi over 6. And when you look that up with your tables, sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. Example E, cos of 2 pi over 3. This would be 3 pi over 3, but we're only looking for 2 pi over 3, so we're in the second quadrant again. Second quadrant, cos is negative, and we need to do pi minus 2 pi over 3. 3 pi over 3 is 1 whole pi, minus 2 pi over 3. 3 minus 2, 1 pi over 3. And when you look up in your tables, you end up with negative 1/2. Final example, 7 pi over 4. This one here would be 4 pi over 4, but we've got more than that. Going all the way to 2 pi is 8 pi over 4, and it's just before 8 pi over 4 because it's 7 pi over 4. So it's going to be there in the fourth quadrant. Tan is negative here, so it'll be negative tan of 2 pi minus 7 pi over 4. Negative tan 8 pi over 4 minus 7 pi over 4. Negative tan pi over 4. Tan of pi over 4 is 1. So our solution is -1. Thanks for watching the videos.